Hello everyone, today we are going to see how can we create amazing kids stories like this for free with the help of AI.
Once upon a time in a magical garden, there lived Sammy the super snail. Sammy wasn't an ordinary snail. He had a shiny, golden shell that granted him amazing powers. With a wave of his antennae, he could make flowers bloom instantly.
Open any browser and open chatgpt. Once you came to chatgpt, ask it to generate a story for kids and a prompt to generate AI images. And you can decide this as you wish. After the script and prompts has been generated, open Lenodo AI and generate AI images by copy-pasting the prompt that has been generated by chatgpt. Once the images has been generated, you can download them. Now it's time to generate AI voice for our cartoon animation that we are using Voice Maker AI, which is free to use. Now you should copy-paste the script that has been generated by ChatGPT in this area like this, and you can change the voice mode and the speaker and do basic settings and generate the voice. Now to edit my video, I am using CapCut, which is free to use. You can do some basic trimming and match the voice over to the video and add some special effects and transitions and some color grading and subtitles. Once the video is ready, you can upload it to your YouTube channel. So if you like this video, click on that subscribe button and leave a like to the video, and this is the final output.
Once upon a time in a magical garden, there lived Sammy the super snail. Sammy wasn't an ordinary snail. He had a shiny, golden shell that granted him amazing powers. With a wave of his antennae, he could make flowers bloom instantly. One sunny morning, Sammy heard a cry for help. The garden's precious rainbow rose had lost its color. Sammy raced to the rescue. He sprinkled his magic slime on the rose, and it burst into vibrant colors, filling the garden with joy.